Hey guys, welcome back to DelveStack. Today I'll be showing you how to fix 403 forbidden error on Firefox. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is just simply select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. And then now over here, you could just simply go for the settings. Now here on the settings guys, you could just simply go for the privacy and security on the left side. Now over here, you can just simply scroll down and you will have an option over here, manage browsing data. Now over here guys, if you have many sites, just simply search for the site that you are having problems with and just simply select it. After that, select remove selected over here. And what that will do, it will reset your Instagram. So from here, select save changes. And from here, it will ask us that we are sure that we are going to remove the data and select remove. And pretty much you could just simply reopen, go to the website in order for you to check if the issue persists. Now another option is you could try to go for a private window. So you could do that by selecting the three lines on the top right corner and go for the new private window. So guys, try going to the site over here and this might fix our issue. Now guys, another solution is you might have problems with the extensions. So go ahead and go for the extensions on the top right corner and then go for manage extensions over here. Now over here, if you have an ad blocker turned on, make sure to turn it off guys, because sometimes having ad blockers into your browser can cause some issues. And also, if you have an extension that you no longer use, I recommend try removing them by selecting the three dots over here and select remove. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.